This is a 2019 Harris Sunliner CWDH center walk-through dual helm. This pontoon is equipped with quick release fenders, four-step ladder, ski tow, Mercury 90 horsepower command thrust motor. This pontoon does also come with its trailer. Tandem axle with brakes. Stepping into the bow of the boat. Two large loungers. Recessed cup holders. You do have fold down armrests on both sides. Large storage under the helm. Dual captain's chairs. Is equipped with a Lawrence depth finder, fish finder, Bluetooth stereo, all your gauges. This pontoon is rated for 10 people. Two large loungers in the stern of the pontoon as well. Is equipped with a table, good size swim deck off the stern. Your ski tow, bimini, and covers are included. Lots of storage under all of your seats. Plenty of cup holders. This is a 2019 Harris Sunliner center walk-through dual helm.